Learning things faster than anyone else is actually very easy, and I know that because I've learned things faster than the people working with me, and as 2025 is coming to an end, I want to share these tricks that helped me learn all these things at almost 10 times speed so you can learn new stuff faster with the new year. And it's not the obvious stuff people talk about. Be consistent, work hard, stay positive, take notes. It's something different. And don't worry, I've made a whole routine so it's even easier for you to follow. Plus there are 2 little secret tricks, so don't skip. First, the single idea that changes everything. Most people try to learn everything at once and burn out. The trick is this: find the small set of things that actually move the needle. Do those first. Example, people learning a language try to memorize 10,000 words. Nobody needs that. So choose the high-value 20%. Want Spanish? Learn the top 1,000 words and basic conjugation patterns. Want to sprint? Spend your time drilling starts and acceleration. Want to ace algebra? Practice 1-step and 2-step linear equations until they're automatic. You'll be usable fast. Now that you know what to focus on, let's talk about the best way to practice those 20% moves. Doing, not just reading. Reading or watching feels productive, but actually doing the thing is the real progress. If you want to sprint fast, a real practice session might be 830-meter starts at 90% effort with full rest, not an hour jog. The plan here is to break practice into short, focused sessions that attack one weak point. If you're learning piano, don't play songs. Isolate the hard bar that trips you, loop it for 5 minutes, then move on repeat tomorrow. That's deliberate practice. It beats random practice and saves time. Doing is great, but how do you make sure doing actually sticks? That's where testing yourself wins. Your brain remembers what it pulls out, not what you shove in. If you want things to stick, you have to force your brain to try first. Rereading feels comforting, but gives fake confidence. You think you know it because it's familiar. If you are learning a language, instead of rewatching a phrase, hide the subtitles and try to transcribe it. If you are learning for a test, close the book and write, or say what you remember. Use quick self-quizzes, or do short tests at increasing gaps. This is the testing effect in action. For real long-term skill, spread practice over time. This is spaced practice, and it forces your brain to rebuild the memory, which makes it stronger. For language, review new words on day 1, day 3, day 7, and then day 14. For school algebra, practice 10 equations on Monday, review 10 new plus 5 old on Wednesday, and test on Friday. Use a simple schedule, 30 to 60 minutes daily, or 3 to 5 short sessions per week. Proper sleep also makes you smarter with less time. Sleep is when your brain glues memories into place. After learning, a night's sleep increases the chance you'll remember it tomorrow. If you train boxing hard and then get poor sleep, your new motor patterns won't combine well. So get regular sleep. Another great way to learn fast is multi-sensory learning. The best learning uses multiple senses, forces you to teach, and purposely creates mistakes so you actually learn the right thing. Watching videos plus hearing plus doing equals stronger memory. So for language, see, read the word. Hear, listen to the sentence. Speak, say it, and write it. So combine these 3 moves. 1. Learn visually, videos or reading. 2. Speak it out loud and teach a friend or an imaginary class. And 3. Fail on purpose. This multi-sensory approach, plus teaching and error-rich practice, helps you learn faster and deeper. Now, before I show you the routine, none of this matters if your phone wins every time. So how to beat distraction? Don't multitask. You can't learn 2 things at once. While you lose time and learning quality, use a simple habit loop. Cue, action, reward. Cue equals a fixed time place. Action equals 30 to 60 minutes of focused work. Reward equals tiny treat, 5 minutes of your favorite activity. Now, 2 last little secret tricks I've used that feel like hacks. Micro-testing. After 10 minutes of study, do a 60-second recall quiz. Record, teach. Record yourself explaining a step, listen the next day, and fix 1 mistake. Before we close, here's the daily routine you can copy tomorrow. If you do one thing tomorrow that follows everything we've said, do this 45-minute routine. 5 minutes, quick review, glance at notes. 25 minutes, focus deliberate practice on the single weak area. Example choices: sprint, 6 times 30 meter starts with full rest. Boxing, 5 times 2-minute focused jab drills plus rest. Guitar, 25-minute looping the chord change you mess up on. School, algebra, 25 minutes solving sets of 1-step and 2-step linear equations. 5 minutes, Active recall test. Close notes and solve or explain what you practiced. 5 minutes. Reward, small treat. 5-minute plan next session. What exact micro skill to attack tomorrow? Save this and let me know in the comments what you think of it. Watch this video to change your life.